Table AU versus Power BL. So let's talk about the best US analytics tool in 2025. So first we have Table AU. It offers exceptional visual and storytelling. It offers high customization and pixel-perfect dashboards and advanced chart types. It scales well for large complex datasets because of its Hyper engine and live connectivity support enterprise-grade analytics. It also offers strong multi-cloud and data source integrations, which connects to a wide variety of databases, data lakes, and enterprise systems. It even has a robust governance which features cataloging, lineage, and row-level security, and also has advanced analytics support. Now, Power BI, on the other hand, is extremely cost-effective, especially for Microsoft-centric organizations. It has a pro and premium licensing options. It offers seamless integration with Microsoft products, Excel teams, and Azure Dynamics and making adoption easier. It also offers powerful AI features, which has the Copilot, automated insights, and natural language query integration via Azure. It also offers scalable performance in memory engines integrated with Fabric and OneLake. And it also offers strong governance and security. Now for the cons though, Table AU may cost higher because of the licensing is more expensive. It also requires a steeper learning curve and has a slower adoption in Microsoft-heavy environments. Meanwhile, Power BI has less visual finesse. Performance depends on the Azure, and some model has some complexity as well. So overall, if your organization already uses Microsoft 365 or Azure, then I recommend Power BI. But if your visual storytelling design flexibility and multi-cloud analytics are more important, then choose Table AU. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.